my name is Dr. Dylan Remick with Health Source Chiropractic, and we are here with this nice young lady, Nancy, who was nice enough to share her chiropractic story. Nancy, can you tell us a little bit about how you were feeling when you first came into our office?
I was sore all the time. My right hip and my lower back ached all the time. And if I stood in place for even 10 minutes, it just hurt and I had to find a chair.
And how long have you been dealing with that problem?
9 years.
9 years. And so was it preventing you from doing activities you wanted to do?
Yeah. Yeah, 'cause it hurt to bend and move, and unless I was sitting in a recliner, I was not comfortable.
How did it affect your job?
When I worked at Cregan's, I was cleaning bathrooms and stuff, and I was okay as long as I was moving. Vacuuming hurt, and but as soon as somebody would stop in the hall and talk to you, it's like I gotta keep going.
It's pretty bad. Yeah. So how did you hear about our office?
There was an ad in the paper, a full page, and it said if you have trouble standing, and that was a red flag for me to get in and see if I could get anything done.
And what did we say that made you want to get help?
Well, you took x-rays, and you sat down with me and went over the x-rays and told me what you could do to make it better and how you were going to do it. And so I was gung-ho because nobody had done that before. I had an MRI done at one of the chiropractors I was seeing. He didn't even sit down and explain it to me. He gave me a paper with what everything was, but I didn't know what that meant.
Mm-hmm. And so how do you feel now?
I feel great. I feel like I have life back. I can join the living. I'm not sitting at home hunched over. I mean, I stood at the sink the other day to test myself. I'd let some dishes pile up, and I stood there at half an hour with minimal pain.
Awesome. Which before 10 minutes you'd be in a lot of pain.
Yes.
Great. What would you say to somebody that has been to a chiropractor before, just like you, and maybe they didn't get the result they were looking for? What would you tell them if they were
I know where you can go to get some help. And I would tell them how much had helped me. It went from not doing to being able to do anything I want to.